Hey guys, welcome to Kids Talent. Today we're going to show you how to make a paper airplane like this, but exactly not like this. We're going to make it my way. First, I'm going to introduce you to me and my little brother Zarif. So my name's Zaima and this is my little brother Zarif. So today we're going to demonstrate how to make a paper airplane. First, let's do it. So first we take this part of the paper and fold it like this. I'll help you. Like this, look. Then in this side we're doing the same thing too. You gotta try to make it like lined up like this, kind of like this. Here, like this. It didn't work out good for him, but it's actually good. So next thing we're gonna do is fold it. But fold it like this. This is my way how to do a paper airplane. Fold it, then press on this part. So yeah, then you do, this is my way to do it. Then you do this, take this part, and do this. I'll help you. Do this, then do this. This is our third step, but we're not done yet. Like this. Do it that way. So this is his. So I'm just gonna then fold it like this. Fold it like this. Fold it, like do this. His is mostly done. Yeah, this is his. His didn't turn out that good, but this is how I do mine. I do it the second time, like you don't have to do it anymore. I do it a second time, then I do this. I start from the tip, like this. So this is how you do it. It didn't turn out that good, like this one someone already did for me. So this is the finishing touch. So guys, this is our first video. Subscribe to our channel, click the notifications, and like this video, thumbs up in this video if you like it.